you today?
Hi, Molly. I'm great, thanks. And you?
I'm good too. Hey, do you want to play a game?
Sure, what game?
Let's play Name the Body Parts. I will say a body part, and you have to point it. Then, you do the same for me.
That sounds fun. Let's start.
Okay, point to your head.
This is my head. Now, you point to your nose.
Here is my nose. It helps me smell.
Yes, and under the nose, we have the mouth.
Right, the mouth is for talking, eating, and smiling. Look!
Haha, nice smile. And inside the mouth, we have the teeth and the tongue.
Yes, my tongue helps me taste yummy food. Now, point to your ears.
I have 2 ears. I use them to listen to music.
Good job! Now, what about the eyes?
These are my eyes. I see with them.
Your eyes are brown. Mine are green.
Yes, and above the eyes, we have the eyebrows.
And the eyelashes too. They protect our eyes.
That's true. What about the arms?
These are my arms. I use them to hug my friends.
Oh, and at the end of the arms, we have hands.
Yes, and fingers. I have 10 fingers.
Me too. I use my fingers to write and draw.
And to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Haha, yes. Now, what about the legs?
These are my legs. I use them to jump and run.
And at the end of the legs, we have feet.
Right, and toes. I have 10 toes too.
Oh, what about the elbow?
Yes, this is my elbow. It helps me bend my arm.
And do you know what helps us bend our legs?
Yes, the knee. I bend my knee when I sit down.
Great. And what about the belly?
Oh, yes, this is my belly. It's also called the stomach.
Haha, my belly makes noise when I'm hungry.
Me too. We learned so many body parts. Head, nose, mouth, ears, eyes, arms, hands, fingers, elbows, legs, knees, feet, toes, and belly.
Yes, our body is amazing.
Let's play again tomorrow.
Great idea. See you tomorrow, Molly.
See you, Ollie.